You have to say for yourself.
Hello, this is Benji, and this is how you fix rusty arches, chassis rails on MX-5.
Right.
Where do you reckon?
Right there, but
I need to bring a rag grinder.
yeah! Alright, we're getting new fitment for this wheel, bro.
Yeah, because I'm putting a 22-inch 9J wheels on this car, so obviously we need to cut this right, and there we go.
Right, we're mint, bruv. Look at that. Wow. What do you say, Ben? Bigger is better.
Power! Holy shit! I feel like the guard is supposed to be guarding my hand.
Yeah, I think it is. To jack your car up 101. Remove the 2 lug bolts
as you can see,
from the car.
This one's obviously been used as racing for like weight reduction, so I only uses 2.
Yeah, so like basically it's faster for the race car teams to only undo 2 instead of all 4.
So you know what you do with these, right?
Will be one of them, bro.
You know what, that might work with a hammer.
You know it might actually.
Ah shit.
I was gonna say, how are you gonna get it off?
What the fuck? Mechanic.
Why did you start off at like fucking 5?
I started at 10 mil.
Yeah.
Make sure.
10 mil?
Oh jeez, man.
Oh jeez, man, that was the whole weight of the car on that. Oh dude, she's got red coilovers though.
Should I just undo the whole bike to see what happens?
Yeah.
Undo both of them.
Just undo both of them, bro, it's fine. In a minute we're going to find our jacking point, and I have a feeling it's right on this rust.
We need to demonstrate actually how to find a jacking point for a car.
Yeah, yeah.
Obviously,
Right here. Get your jack.
Yeah. If you didn't know, guys, this is how you jack up the MX.
Real professional mechanics trust all. Why is that so solid? What the fuck? Bro, the rust is making it strong. You know, go a bit further on. Oh, maybe. Oh. Ben, you're ruining your seal, bro.
Oh, what? No, they were perfect.
Ben, what the fuck?
Oh, no. Oh, what happened?
Why did you do that, man?
Oh,
this is perfect. Now just move it in a teeny bit. Oh.
That's what it said on the MX-5 ownership on Facebook.
Hold on, mate, let me push it for you.
Yeah, can you just lift it up, please? I can't reach it. Yeah, thank you. Right, okay, I think it's from here then.
You think?
Oh, man!
Man, look, just on the structure, perfect. Hold up, mate, I got a perfect solution.
No, don't.
Put it under there.
No, we're done with this. It's done. It's done, this foot. No, this will jack up easy, watch.
Watch it still just crush. Oh. Oh my god. Mate, it's a bit rusty. Oh.
Oh, what?
Whoa, I thought we brought not rusty MX-5, bro. What is this?
Average MX-5 experience from Facebook Marketplace.
To be fair, that was like my car before I got it fixed.
Oh man,
Man, why'd your seal like look like every fucking Volkswagen?
Barn find.
Barn find.
Barn find. Yeah, so this is my new turbo project.
Oh shit, man. I wonder if these are expensive.
Hey! Hey, it's fine.
Oops.
Right. For dent removal, first we find the dent.
Oh, fucking hell.
Then you caress the outside. And And you must hit it from the inside.
Problem number 1. You can't get it up.
Okay, right, okay. First, locate the dent.
Oh, new one.
Then,
Benner's not doing anything.
yeah, it is. Do you see that? Do you see that? Do you see that?
Yeah, look at that. It's freshly dented.
No. I've not finished my job yet. Oh, do you want that?
Oh my god, look at that. Center console. Oh. She's mint. Call 0800 Stockwell at mygarage.com.
Yes.
So what's this one, Ben?
So afterwards you get the dent out, you obviously have to polish it clean. So here I've got my polisher. Here we go.
Oh dude, look, she's nice and shiny now. And then there's all the dirt around it.
And then you need your microfiber cloth.
Yeah.
And you buff it out.
Dude, she's mint.
You just get your rag out and then it's done.
Oh dude, look at that.
That's actually
Look at
clean,
that.
bro.
That's very clean, man. You did a very good job on that.
Would you actually be able to tell that I was been in an accident?
It was in an accident. I don't know. I don't know. I think the bearings fucked.
No, man! This was such a good example of a car!
Dude, it's a real white one and they're super rare in the UK, man. What the ever living fuck?
I've been scammed, man!
So fucking shit,
I've
man.
been scammed! I've been scammed! I've been scammed!
He's been scammed! Ben!
Oh.
Oh. Take your anger out on it now. They scammed us, there's no brake caliper on it. Bro!
Where'd they go?
What the fuck, man? Oh, at least we got coilovers though.
Yeah, at least we got coilovers, man.
You're a fucking menace. Oh, let me sit on my chair. Ooh. Can you hear me?
What?
Oh! Who's that in?
So I reckon I should cut this off.
Bro, there's literally 2 bolts.
Oh man, I just ruined a perfectly good swipe.
Oh, what the fuck, man?
Oh. I'll weld it back together.
Yeah, extend it. Oh, she blows. Look at that clean.
Clean cut, Bev. Yeah. So it's supposed to go down here, right? So this is why we're changing it. So we're going to weld it like that to connect to the steering rack.
Race car.
I mean, Central UK. What are you doing?
I don't care if you use my name.
No, face reveal. No face reveal, bro.
How to put wheel on for ultimate stance camber. Oh my god, it's like a monster truck.
I can't get it on, bro.
That's what she said.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Where are my bolts? I can't reach.
That's what she said.
It's not. It's what I said. Hey, what's happening?
Wait, do 'em up, boy.
Thanks, man.
You're welcome, man.
You know what? I think that's all they're gonna go.
Dude, I think your wheel bearing's broken.
Right, let's lower this bad boy down.
Alright, we need to see this fit, man. It's gonna be so flush.
Yeah. Alright, let me just do them up real quick.
Oh look, you got more space to angle grind down there now.
Yeah, that's why we did it.
Alright, so this is basically not attached anymore.
How did that happen?
I don't know.
What? I've been scammed.
Fully forged engine, with bay tuck, no wires or anything, you know.
Yeah, I did the wire delete on this.
Oh yeah, is it Bluetooth?
Bluetooth.
Yeah.
Oh, we got wires on them. We got weird.
We got
shit.
wires. We got.
Oh, we got this on this side.
Well, at least.
Oh.
You just broke your car, man. What are you gonna do now? You just wasted 300 quid.
It's cost me $7 grand.
It's because it's white.
Shop.
TikTok shop. Oh my fucking god.
Bro, what happened to this?
Dude, why is it like that, man? What the fuck? Hold up, let me help you real quick. This side, it needs to be the same over on this mounting point, you see?
Okay, yeah, it looks right.
Yeah, it looks about this.
Made a bigger hole there as well.
Oh, I did. Oh!
I needed that part.
Oh, I needed that hammer, man.
Hold on, let's get the angle right.
Yeah, you might need to get down, right.
Hold up.
Oh, hold up a second, I got it.
Hold up a second, I got it.
I got it. Whoa!
Oh, thank God for that.
Oh, dude, that came in clutch, that did.
Right, big angle grinder again. Well, we're just gonna have to send it.
Yeah, you're right. Ben, look at this.
Hey, bro, what?
Why is the car like this, man? You know what, mate? I think you're right.
Hold up. Right, I'll do it. You record, alright.
Wait, why's the front of your car coming up? How to remove the MX-5 engine.
How to find your 10 mil.
Oh, I think she's coming off.
What happened to my car?
Why is your car like this, man? Hold on, let me.
Bro, don't put my shit.
Damn, bro. Suspension.
How to change your steering rack.
Alright, so today we're going to be doing engine mounts.
My monster!
No, I'm so sorry. Here you go.
My monster car. You remove the front. So you have access to the full right, go on. How do we do this?
Oh yeah.
We shouldn't have turned the wheels around the wrong way.
Yeah. We made it so much harder.
Right, okay. Go. Okay, go. It's got mad camber. Right, okay, go.
Almost got anally shafted by that fucking gear stick.
Yeah, make sure it's neutral. How to move gearbox. Cut hole in gearbox. I hate this. So what's up, guys? As you can see, we have removed the gearbox eventually.
It only took us 4 hours.
It only took us a hole in the gearbox.
A hole.
And that was due to the clutch plate being seized. Now the next problem is we need to get that into there.
And around back there.
To where I can work on the engine. So that's the next problem. Do you want to deal with that problem? Not really. We want to start cutting more shit up. But we're running out of daylight and I need the engine around the back. So,
And it's raining.
yeah,
Well, it was raining.
Yeah.
But yeah, so here, oh fuck, I forgot the name. Oh well. Wait, is that cracked? Oh my god, look, it's cracked in the top. That's not meant to be like that, bro.
Yeah, that's cracked.
That's cracked. That's cracked as fuck. Yeah, well, this is just seized, so we had to cut a hole. Oh, it's not seized anymore, though. But this is stuck here. Normally, you'd have to use bread to get it out, but we don't got no bread. We got chainsaws.
And muscles.
Oh, yeah, big muscles and boobies.
And angle grinders.
And big, scary angle. Where did it go? Angle grinder.
Nice. No.
Nice.
We're very behind on schedule.
We are very behind on schedule, yes. We did, It's
Not a lot.
It's like this now. My hands look like this, so she can look like this.
It don't even look good, man.
It doesn't even look good. Do you want to get a spray can out and just spray some penises on it?
No, because my family have to see this.
They love
They might
penis.
think, I've got my ear pierced and I'm gonna have penises on my car. They're gonna feel I'm gay.
They really will.
They already do. Not driving MX-5.
Alright, get in your seat, bro. Your steering wheel's a bit. Alright, let me in. Oh, fucking.
Right, where should we go to? Where do I go?
You're welcome.
Oh, thank you. Right, where do you want to go then?
To the right. I think you just spin it now.
Hold on.
Wait, let me.
Oh yeah, thanks man.
Yeah, you're welcome.
Yeah, it's good.
I think this MX-5 looks really nice with no dash in it. What do you think?
Yeah, I think I'm gonna have to work out some way of doing it in my car.
Yeah, that one. That's. When was it last ran?
Oh, it ran yesterday.
Yeah.
Yeah.
For 5 seconds.
For 5 seconds and I ran out of fuel.
Oh, well. Can you imagine?
No, don't do it.
Oh shit, I can't look at the fitment anymore because it's over there.
Shit, where are my wheels at?
Man, you got one right there.
Oh yeah.
Oh my god.
Oh shit, which way is straight?
Shit, man.
No. No. Yeah, race car, man.
Race car. Oh wait, can you be the gear stick, bro?
Yeah, I am.
Alright, under he goes. I think the engine fell out.
Right, so it's Benji on the camera now. I just want to show you guys an extra bonus that this actually still starts. And if I rev it, ready? And I'm redline it. Yeah, it works.
Alright, so today we removed an engine and the front of a car. Ain't that right, Ben? Ben? Oh shit, man. Oh, you neutral, bro. Fuck.
Thanks, man.
Hey, yeah, you're welcome, man. Slap that shit. Oh shit.